Very good evening to all of you, and thank you very much for being here with us today. Jolly LLB is basically a story of a small town lawyer, good for nothing, who can't even spell affidavit correctly. But he wants to become India's biggest lawyer. And he actually goes on to definitely defeat one of the biggest India's lawyer in the film. So without taking much more time, I'm going to call upon my jolly Arshad Barsi.
ये फिल्म एक्चुअली मेरे दिल के काफ़ी करीब है। जब सुभाष ने मुझे कहानी सुनाई तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी। मुझे इसमें इसकी सिंप्लिसिटी बहुत अच्छी लगी। इसमें जो रियलिज्म है और जिस तरह एक कोर्ट रूम को पोर्ट्रेट किया गया है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, जो हमने मेरे ख्याल से आज तक तो देखा नहीं है। विच वॉज रेवलेशन, विच आई एंजॉयड द विजुअलाइजेशन व्हेन ही नरेटेड टू मी, एंड जो चीज़ें मुझे दिखाई दे रही थी मुझे बहुत पसंद आई। तो खैर एनीवे, ये हमारी मेहनत है, आप लोगों को पसंद आए। जैसे मरिया ने अभी भी कहा कि I asked her, did you like the promo? She said I loved it. She said I hope the others love it too. So that is, I hope you love it too.
मैं Fox Studios और सुभाष आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से। I hope that this film does well. I'm truly impressed by the amount of new talent that the film industry is producing every second month almost, and a lot of young directors, particularly like Subhashji and several others, are coming up with new content and new ideas and breaking rules and actually becoming so hugely successful. This bodes very well for the Indian film industry, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. I only hope that some of those directors will come to me, and I'd like to work with them at some time or time. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
There is one reason why I agreed to do this film is because of the way this man narrated this wonderful story to me over 6 or 7 sessions, and I kind of felt drawn and compelled to do it. And then I asked him who's playing Jolly, so he said Arshad Barsi, and by then I had already agreed to the film, so it was too late to back up. But having said that, in my short young career I've done a few films, and I can safely say that he's one of the very, very few directors who've actually pushed me further and further and further to do a better job. And I hope I have done justice to your vision and your faith you've had in me. And trust me, I believe and I mean every single word that I say. And since everybody's taken an opportunity, Mr. Bachchan, I won't keep quiet either. Well, the reason why I am in films, everybody knows. Everybody knows that probably there's no bigger fan on this planet than I am. I had cried in Amar Akbar Anthony. It was a comedy film, but I cried simply because Mr. Bachchan got beaten up in that film. And it hurt me no end as to why he was allowed only one punch. And I got beaten up by my friends because I had an argument with them after I lost a chip of my tooth. But Mr. Bachchan, it is almost like a dream come true for a lot of people to be sharing the stage with you, sharing the screen with you, and sometimes just being around you. Thank you very much for being there for us. Thank you.